Welcome back, Remodelites. Dave with Remodel Media, and I'm here in Las Vegas at KBIS, the Kitchen and Bath Industry Show. I'm talking to Caitlin with Lavalier.
Lavalier, Paris.
All right, and she's got some fancy French stuff she's going to show us here. Caitlin, why don't you start with the sort of the company bio, where you are, what you do, why you do it. Go.
So we are a company here in the U.S. We have 5 different showrooms all across the country. We do fully custom ranges and appliances as well as full kitchens. Our appliances are 100% handcrafted and custom made. They're made to each client. So each of our products can be configured in any kind of configuration that they'd like. Our ranges start at around 30 inches and we can go up to whatever size the client needs or anything like that. We have on display our full stainless steel kitchen with our integrated range and hood and integrated faucets. Yeah.
All right, so as I'm looking at this here, obviously we've got the neatest thing that I noticed was we've got cabinets that match the appliances, not just in color scheme, but actual material. They are, the cabinet fronts are stainless steel.
Yep, yeah. Stainless steel with soft closed drawers. Those are some of our integrated features. We have integrated lighting in the interior part of our upper cabinetry, especially with any kind of window cabinetry or anything on the upper side of the cabinets. We can do full inserts, customized based off of whatever the client would like. This one that you're seeing here just has a knife block and then a utensil divider in this one. We've got leather liners if that's something that people are interested in. We can kind of do a full scope of whatever it is that the client needs.
That's awesome. And as I'm looking at this, we've got several different cooking hobs here. I see we've got the induction. We've got the traditional gas burners on either side of, you said this is an electric griddle.
Yep.
And then an induction
yep.
On the other side. So, but there are other options as well. Yes. Talk to me about those.
So many different other options. We have a single power burner, a single power induction burner. We've got the smooth or grooved electric griddle. And then we also have a coupe de feu, which is a French top. We've got multiple different components on the base. If your client prefers to have the ovens on the wall versus on the range, you could have storage under there. You can have a warming cabinet. You could have drawers. Really kind of options are endless.
Okay, and you were telling me that this right here is a warming cabinet. Yes. Not a warming drawer, a warming cabinet.
Yes.
That is awesome.
It's a little different. It doesn't have a high, medium, or low setting. You actually have a temperature control that you can set it at versus it being high, medium, or low.
And as I'm looking inside the oven, I'm seeing an upper element. I'm seeing a convection fan in the back. Is that a true European convection, I assume?
Convection fan. It is a U.S. Size oven versus a European size oven.
Yeah, you're going to fit a pretty big turkey in there. Absolutely. And then, real quick, I assume there's an element underneath as well, a bake element.
As well. So you have top and bottom heat. You've got the convection. It's fully stainless steel, so incredibly durable, easy to clean. Yeah.
Okay. The convection fan is a true European convection. There's an element behind the fan as well. Okay.
Yes.
And then we've got this awesome blind quarter cabinet here.
Yep. Great
that is
storage and kind of corner space.
That is a very unique. And then we accidentally discovered this earlier. This tap to open. Okay, so the area underneath the sink is actually it's a drawer. And then this fridge, who made this fridge? Because that's a very distinctive hinge.
It is a U-line fridge.
U-line, okay. This is equivalent to the U-line 3000 series, I'm guessing.
Yes, with a fully integrated stainless steel sink as well.
Okay, and that stainless steel sink is part of that countertop.
Mhm.
And whose faucet is this?
That is our faucet as well. So we also have fittings. We have sinks and faucets. Our sinks can be made at any size that you'd like. Same with the upper shelving that you're seeing here with the glass shelves and the brass rods. Those can be made at any size that you look for.
This is awesome. Now you were telling me the price tag on a kitchen like this is close to or around 100,000. Is that?
Yep. This full setup is around 100,000.
Mhm.
The range itself, if we just did the range portion, is I believe 43,000.
Awesome. Caitlin, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching. I hope you got some good information out of that episode. Go ahead and click here for more videos. Go ahead and click here to subscribe. And make sure you check out the description below for relevant links to some of the products that we discussed today. And leave your comments and questions down below because I love answering them. As always, I'll see you in the next one.